Hi, let me tell you a small mortgage secret. So, and also a misconception um about getting a mortgage with a higher interest rate. I think there is a win-win situation if you understand the risk involved, and I don't know, there's a huge risk or a small risk. Let's talk about it. So we're talking about mortgage, we're talking about mortgage rates, and let's say this example where I have 3.75 with a payment 2150 and $300 credit. A little bit higher interest rate 3.99, 2230 payment, 4200 credit. Obviously, $3,900 more credit over here, a small payment increase over here. And let's say even if we go further, maybe we don't have enough credit to cover all the closing costs, especially when you're buying a home, purchase a home, your closing cost maybe $6,000-7,000. So let's go maybe 4.125, 2250, $100 difference, almost $6,000 lender credit. So, okay, so first misconception is like, hey, we're gonna, have a higher interest rate for the 30-year loan. Okay, so 360, 360 months, $100. So that's like a 36,000. I'm going to be paying more. But who's telling you you cannot refi? Who's is saying you're going to keep that loan for 30 years? These mortgage rates, these loan programs, these Fannie, Freddie, these residential loans have no prepay penalty. You can refinance anytime you want. Okay. With the brokers, you cannot refinance for 6 months. But if you have bought a home with the builder, there's no prepay penalty. You can refinance next day, next month. I have a lot of people. They didn't even make their first payment, and then they come back and say, "Hey, I want to refinance because I had a lot of credit involved. I got a lot of credit to cover my closing cost, and I want a lower interest rate, like a half a point lower." So the thing is, should we get a higher mortgage for the credit? We are getting it. So simple math over there, 6 months or maybe 2-3 months. If you're paying a higher payment, just a payment, right? $100, maybe 6 times, maybe a whole year. The risk is like, okay, the next day, tomorrow or next month, rates shoot up, and you're not able to get the lower interest rate. That is a risk. But the way rates are, and coming months, coming year, election year, the rate's not going to go anywhere. And you have seen it. You have seen Feds have already, decreasing the rates, 2, 3, 4 times already this year. So I would personally, I'll get a higher rate, maybe 4.25, 4.125, whatever. If I'm getting like $6,000-7,000 to cover my closing costs, that's a lot of money. And what's my risk? $600, and maybe not. All right. I hope that helps, and let me know if I can help you anyway. Thank you.